So this is my Zara jogger pants, and I'm trying to give this a new look, and I will cut this part here so that I'll produce a wide leg cargo pants from these jogger pants. I'm cutting this portion off because, I'm a petite person and it doesn't really suit me well. The height of the pants does not really suit me well, so I have to cut it off and get a new pants out of it. So this is the finished product after cutting the edge of the hem of the cargo pants and made it into a wide leg pants. Although I still have to work out or finalize the length of this, but I think this can already be worn, but I have to cut somewhere here. The next Zara fashion piece that I'll be reworking is this denim dress, and I'll be cutting off the sleeves, this portion here, because it's too long for me. It's too long for my arms, so I had to cut this off. It's quite easier than the cargo pants. Nothing much has changed, but I can probably use this now more often than before because the sleeves are now shorter. A quick fix to long length sleeves. Zara denim dress. Finally reworked. This is a black pleated dress with garter on the waist, and you see it's new. But would you believe that this is a dress from the kids section? But I'm planning to make this into two-piece, a top and a skirt. Just cut off right above the garter of the waistline so that the garter will remain intact. Oh, this is hard here. Okay, finished. Wow, two-piece. So I've got a new cropped top now. I have a crop top. Now I got a new pleated skirt. This is of midi length. It can actually remain as is, or I have to stitch this. You see the remnants from the top, but actually it's okay because I can cut this off or leave this as a design.